We're exploring Marfa today. It's a public holiday. Who's
President's Day.
President's Day. So well done all the presidents. You've done a very good job. Big trains coming through. It's quiet. Most of the buildings are shut because of the public holiday, but we're having a great look around here. It's really cool.
We thought about coming out to see the Marfa lights one night, but when we started reviewing how often they are and how to predict them, there's no predictions and they only come out 30 times a year. So we thought we'll just come and have a look around town instead.
We might still go out. It happens just as the sun sets and you all park up just out of town and look out to the horizon. You might see lights. Lee's doing the poking her head in the church thing, which she often does. She goes and lights a candle and remembers all those people that are no longer with us. I think it's really sweet. We've just come to have a look at the old fort up here, and I think it's shut, but there's a lovely old lady speaking to us. Her name's Gail, and this right next to me is Officers Row, and the lot there, whether that's his house, but that was Patton's house, and Patton, as you all know, World War II American general. Gail has recommended that we go out to
Fort Davis.
Fort Davis. It's a 26 mile, and we're going to drive out there and have a look around. It's going to be awesome day. 76 today. We love Texas. Did we mention that? We've just left Fort Davis, where we stopped in to have a look at the reptile display. Lots of rattlesnakes, very interesting, lovely people in there. We've driven up to the Macdonald Observatory. It's obviously in the middle of the day, so we're not going to see too many stars. But we just wanted to come out and have a look at the Texas landscape. There's lots of little RVs up there. If you've got a reasonable truck and a RV, I guess any size you'd get up there. It's a bit of an incline and it's very narrow gauge, so really lovely.
This is an example of the West Texas countryside. The roadside scenery changes dramatically over this huge state, as does the artwork and the styles of the townships as you pass through them. As we're leaving Alpine and Marfa in Texas, we're heading towards New Mexico. These long stretches of road are punctuated with the most unusual things.
Good morning, we have just left Alpine, Texas. We are heading off on a 5-hour run to a little town called Truth and Consequence, if you could believe that. And heading out of Alpine and Marfa. Marfa famous for the mysterious Marfa lights. There is a wonderful, colourful, you can hear the music, this is where Giant was filmed. So, on the highway you can pull up, there's Leanne and the rig, Jimmy Dean, look at that, two legends. I reckon that's pretty cool. How good's that?
Yeah, love it. It's really neat because Elizabeth Teller's on a horse over there, and I think this was James Dean's last movie from memory. He died just shortly after this was finished, but I'll check that before I publish.
Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Until next time, when we're in New Mexico, take care.